Have you ever faced a financial setback that left you feeling lost and overwhelmed? You're not alone. And today, we will explore how you can turn things around. Financial challenges can happen to anyone, but you can bounce back and thrive with the right mindset and strategies. Let's dive in. Hi, I am Lisa. Welcome back to the Modern Finance YouTube channel. Today, we're tackling a topic that hits close to home for anyone who's ever experienced a financial setback. First, let's define what we mean by financial setbacks. These can include job loss, unexpected expenses, or even debt accumulation. Did you know that about 60% of Americans report experiencing a financial setback at some point in their lives? It's a daunting reality, but acknowledging it is the first step toward recovery. Remember, you're not alone in this journey. Next, it's crucial to assess your situation honestly. Take a moment to evaluate your income, expenses, debts, and savings. You can use budgeting apps or simple spreadsheets to get a clear picture. Start by listing your monthly income and essential expenses. Knowing where you stand financially will empower you to make informed decisions. Now that you've assessed your situation, let's create a recovery plan. Set short-term and long-term financial goals. For instance, a short-term goal could be cutting down on subscriptions, while a long-term goal might be paying off debt. Write down your plan and revisit it regularly to track your progress. Remember, a plan isn't just a wish, it's a pathway to success. One of the most vital steps in bouncing back is building an emergency fund. This fund acts as a financial safety net for unexpected expenses. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses. Start small. Even saving a little each month can lead to significant savings over time. Consider setting up automatic transfers to your savings account to make saving easier. Don't hesitate to seek support. Talk to friends, family, or financial advisors who can offer guidance. Look for community resources like credit counseling services or financial education programs. Online platforms also offer valuable tools and resources to help you navigate your financial recovery. Remember, it's okay to ask for help. To wrap up, we've covered some essential strategies. Assess your situation, create a recovery plan, build an emergency fund, and seek support. Financial setbacks are just a chapter in your story, not the whole book. With the right mindset and strategies, you can rise above and thrive. Lisa. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more financial tips. I'd love to hear about your experiences in the comments below. And remember, you're not alone in this journey. Together, we can bounce back stronger. Lisa. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. We at Modern Finance are not financial advisors. This is for educational and research purposes. Bye until next time. Take care.